In today's video, I'm sharing a super simple DIY glow routine that help fade dullness and reveal brighter, more even looking skin using easy at-home ingredients. Start with 1 tablespoon of calamansi. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Then 2 tablespoons of grated papaya soap. Mix everything well until fully combined. Want brighter, more even-looking skin the natural way? This traditional Filipino skincare combo of calamansi and milk is known for a brighten and nourish benefits. Calamansi help lighten the dark spot and even out skin tone, while milk smooth down and moisturize the skin, balancing the acidity for a gentler effect. Together they help reveal softer, smoother, and more radiant looking skin. Try this simple and glow naturally.